If you thought you knew much about space, trust me, that is just a gazillionth of what goes on out there. For starters, there are a freaking 100 billion galaxies. And that's not even it. For every single grain of sand on the planet, there are close to 10,000 stars in the universe to match that. So, if I were you, I'd be careful about what you wish for the next time you're complaining about Earth. With this being said, prepare to be completely amazed by these scary facts about space that will both terrify and amaze you. Ready? Well, let's begin. Number 5. It's possible to drown inside your spacesuit. I know that does not sound good, but it can happen. Spacesuits have water for cooling purposes and keeping astronauts refreshed. So if a wardrobe malfunction happens, someone can actually drown in there. Ask Italian astronaut Luca Parmitano, who was carrying out some engineering work when he suddenly felt a pool of water starting to swell at the back of his neck. In his fear, Parmitano even considered releasing the safety valve near his ear. That would have killed him after a while. Lucky for him, his colleague was around to guide him to safety and help him out. Phew! Number 4. A giant black hole is roaming through space. What you hear in the movies may be true. A supermassive black hole, 1,000,000 times heavier than the sun, is hurtling through space at 3 million miles per hour. Well, my math tells me that speed is no joke. The black hole is named B31715 plus 425 and is 2 billion light years away from us, currently. With that speed, I'm sure it's gotten closer to us Earthlings even before you finish this video. Researchers believe that this rogue black hole may have bumped into another galaxy and ripped it apart to pursue its own path. How selfish. Number 3. Floating space corpses. Just so you know, humans were too scared to venture into space all on their own. So they sent out cats, a number of dogs, and even chimpanzees to do the dirty work for them. Poor creatures. Not all animals came back home, so there is a theory going around as to the whereabouts of their remains. When the scientists got more confident that they could handle space, they sent out humans. Again, not every spacecraft from failed missions were recovered, especially when the occupants of the ship died when launching into orbit. So, it's quite a large possibility that space may be littered with corpses. Number 2. Meteors can strike without warning. Have you ever asked where dinosaurs went to? Well, we may be following that path of extinction if a big meteor collides with our planet. At least scientists are not totally in the dark about this one. Thanks to technology, they can clearly state when a comet or meteor will be sweeping the atmosphere and heading to Earth. History shows that meteors have done quite a number on Earth, and these are just the small ones. Just recently in 2013 Russia, a meteor broke into pieces over the Ural Mountains and showered mini meteors. Imagine the surprise of those folks who were below those mountains. Hundreds of people got injured. I can only imagine what a large meteor could cause. Number 1. Our galaxy is slowly being sucked away. Beyond the known horizon of our universe, where light has not been able to reach yet, there is a powerful space vacuum that is sucking matter away, one galaxy at a time. NASA research scientists in Maryland discovered a series of galaxy clusters moving at an incredible speed across the Earth. According to these smart guys, they figure that there is no way a cluster could move at such high velocities unless they are experiencing a strong pull from beyond the horizon. Well, that pull can continue for as long as it wants, as long as NASA gives us a heads up